On this episode of How to Do Shit, we're going to be putting on pegs. Highly recommended that you replace the stock DRZ pegs with something a little bit better. These got a pretty aggressive spike on them. Even got sliders on the back for passing track inspection. Open these up. Let's see what we got here. Just the pegs. Oh man, it's a good looking piece. Was there, it's not Delrin, it's, I'm gonna say that's probably ABS. I'll find out what this is made out of. It's a very brittle plastic, it's probably, PLA or something like that. Oh, now I gotta take it apart and find out what it's made out of. Yeesh. Do they slide off? Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, don't pull it off. It just slides off. No markings anywhere. Anywhere on the plastic itself. No markings. Interesting. Alright, so this is the left side peg, and it's really straightforward. You have a cotter pin holding on to this main pin here, and that just slides out, but there's a lot of spring tension here pushing the stock peg down. The zip tie is how you get this off. Straighten those up. If you're very careful and you show the pin respect, you can reuse it. It's a little beat up, but definitely reusable. Now, before you put anything else on, you gotta get that spring back up there. So, still got the zip tie in a loop. No sense in wasting a perfectly good zip tie. Spring tension's right. Oh yes, that's a good looking peg right there. On the other side of the bike, it's a little bit of a different story. For those of you that are most astute, you will notice that this pin can't come out because of the rear brake lever. Now that we got the pivot out of the brake lever, you're only going to need to move it about right there, just so the pin can slip out here behind it. Installing the peg on this side is the same as the other side, just in a mirror. And there she is, all finished, back together. It's a good looking peg. It seems to be extremely well built, and it's pretty much a steal in the peg market for 60 bucks. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next.